Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from a video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut, and for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. First thing first, we need to duplicate this video. You can tap on the video and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. This one guys, and you can make it as an overlay. Tap on overlay, and then I'm going to adjust the position like this, and we're going to put mask to the second video to cover the text. I'm going to click on the second video and then select mask. Right, okay, this one guys, the mask, and I recommend you to choose the circle mask to make the result more natural. Okay, and then adjust the size of the mask, and I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to take this part to cover the text because this part will be suitable to cover it. Then click on the check mark and I'm going to drag it to cover or to remove the text. And to make it more natural, you can also apply filter or adjustment. You can adjust the brightness or the saturation, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, just like so. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove text from a video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.